Question is what? Sine a plus b equal to sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. We have to find out sine 75. Okay, we don't have any sine 75. We don't have. We have only what? 0, 30, 45, 60, and 90. Then how to find out sine 75? You have any plan? Hello, sine 75. How will find out? Sine 30 plus 45. Okay, see, listen here. We can split 75. Look at here. 75 we can split into two non-values. Okay, listen. Not like 70 plus 5 because we don't have 70, you don't have 5. Not 50 plus 20. Non-values. 45. No, 90 by 2. That's big. How much? 90 plus 60 plus 90 by 4. Not 75. Okay, we can write a equal to 45, b equal to what? 30, because we know 45 and 30. So look at here. Dot that down. Sine 75 equal to sine 45 plus 30 or 30 plus 45. Then you replace wherever is a, it is 75, 45. Sine 45 into cos b, cos 30 plus cos 45 into sine 30. Then cos 45, 1 by root 2. Cos 30, root 3 by 2. Plus cos 45, 1 by root 2. Sine 30, 1 by 2. Then simplify and write. Okay. Sine A, look, sine of A plus B equal to sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. So A 45, sine 45, 1 by root 2. Cos 30, root 3 by 2. Cos A, cos 45, 1 by root 2. Sine B, sine 30, 1 by 2. Okay, what's the problem? Kaushik, okay? So you'll get the answer is root 3 by 2 root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2. So you can write root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Then rationalize and write. This one star question. What a star mark. Okay, roots. Okay, finished now. The latecomers listen here. Look, once again, our question is sine of a plus b equal to sine a into cos b plus cos a into sine b. Find sine 75. Okay, so this 75 we have to split into two. that means with respect to the non-values, that is 0, 30, 45, 60, and 90. Not like 70 and 5. 70 plus 5. We don't know 70, we don't know 5. Not 50 and 25. No. So that means we can take A equal to 30. B, sorry, A equal to 30, B equal to 45. Like this. Okay, A 30, B 45, or A 45, B 30, B 30. No problem, any order. Okay, sine of 30 plus 45. Okay, wherever is A is 30, sine 30 cos B cos 45 plus cos A cos 30 and sine B sine 45. Okay. Then sine 30 1 by 2, cos 45 1 by root 2 plus cos 30 root 3 by 2, sine 45 1 by root 2. So we got 1 by 2 root 2 plus root 3 by 2 root 2, which implies 1 plus root 3 divided by 2 root 2. So rationalizing root 2 plus root 6 by 4. Root 2 plus root 6 by 4. Are you okay now? Yeah, Aditya, if it is because 30 plus 45, 75, 45 plus 30 also 75. We can take any order. Clear or no? Because we need total is for 75. So we can take A 30, B 45 or A 45, B 30. No problem. But minus don't take it. Okay. Should be first is the higher one. Okay. Because 1 plus 2 same as 2 plus 1. That's why I took. Okay. I purposely I wrote this one because maybe you'll ask this question. That's why. The first I took A 45, B 30. Now then I changed to A 30, B 45. Clear now, right? Okay. So everyone okay? So your class already reached now. Which exercise now? First exercise. Okay. 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 Exercise one, question number 7. Exercise question, data question almost we've covered. Okay. So you can manage with the or not. So next question, right? Next question. Satwik, okay now? Okay, so next one, you try yourself. Sine of A minus B. Sine of A minus B. Sine of A minus B equal to sine of A minus B equal to sine A cos B minus cos A sin B. These all you have to study next year. Okay. The proofs. Sine A minus B, sine A plus B, cos A plus B, cos A minus B, tan A plus B, tan A minus B. Around 90 and it is not by heart. Okay, sine A minus B, then find sine 15 degree and cos. Okay, this is first question. Second question, cos A minus B equal to cos A cos B minus sine A sin B. Find cos 15. Okay, sine A minus B equal to sine A cos B minus cos A sin B. Find sine 15. Cos A minus B equal to cos A cos B minus sine A sine B. Find cos 50. Okay, try both. So 15 to get what? To get 15, which are the angles we can take? To get the 50, 45 and 30, or 60 and 45 also possible, no? 60 and 45. A 60, B 45, no problem. Okay, any order we can take it. A 60, B 45. Why 60 minus 45 is 15, or 45 and 30. Are you getting it? Roshan, Vignesh, Kaja. The plan is we have to take the our known values, specific values. That is 0, 45, 30, 60, 90. With this limit, we need 15. We cannot take 20 and 5. We cannot take 25 and 10. Okay. We can take 45, A 45, B 30. 40, by 45 minus 30 is 15. Or 60 and 45. That order. Okay, fine now. Second question. Cos A minus B equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Cos A minus B equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Clear now? Okay, 2 root 2 we can rationalize now. Puja. Okay, okay. Finish both questions. Finish. Then I'll show you. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. I'll wait. Finish on. Roshan, you got? Amisha. Misha got? Okay, look at here. I'll show both questions here. Listen out. Look at here. The first question here we need sine 15. Given is sine of a minus b equal to sine a cos b minus cos a sine b. Okay. To 15 you can convert to, from the known values we can write either a 60 b 45 or a 45 b 30. Are you okay? The selection understood now. Listen, the selection is a, we can take 45, b 45, right? 60 minus 45, 50. 45 minus 30 is 50. Selection understood or not? The selection of a and b, only thing the difference is 15, but not like 20 and 5 from the non-values. Okay, I took this one now. So sine of 60 sine 60 minus 15. Sorry, sine 60 minus 45 equal to a 60 sine 60 into cos b cos 45 minus cos 60 sine 45. Correct now? Sine 60 cos 45 cos 60 sine 45. Sine 60 root 3 by 2 into cos 45 1 by root 2 minus cos 60 1 by 2 sine 45 1 by root 2. So root 3 by 2 root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2. That is root 3 minus 1 by 2 root. So rationalizing root 6 minus root 2 by 4. Correct or no? Root 6 minus root 2 by 4. First part clear or not? Okay. So second part you want to show? Second part okay now? You can do it, right? Second part you want or not? Hello. Second part you will get cos a minus b equal to cos a plus cos b minus cos a minus sin a minus sin b. Just simplify, you will get that also. Okay. Root 6 plus root 2 by 4, right? Correct or no? Root 6 plus root 2 divided by, not same answer, plus no. Are you sure same answer? Okay, then I have to check it. Look at here. Look. Anyway, I'll check that one. Look at here. Maybe I gave the formula wrong. Okay. Okay. I think I gave formula wrong. Cos a minus b equal to cos a into cos b plus sin a sin b. I think I gave a minus, right? I think I gave minus, right? Okay, just correct that one. It is plus. Okay, just plus last changes only. Look, then again cos 60 into cos 45 plus sine 60 sine 45. Correct or no? A is 60, B is 45. Cos 60 1 by 2 into 1 by root 2 plus sine 60 root 3 by 2 into 1 by root 2. So 1 by 2 root 2 plus root 3 by 2 root 2. So we get root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. We just change this plus, that's only changes. Okay. Okay, so next one, root 6 plus root 2 by 4. Okay. Next one also star question, right? Now after this section is over now, right? These two okay, right? Right. If tan A equal to 1 by 2, tan A equal to 1 by 2, right? Tan A equal to 1 by 2, tan B equal to 1 by 3. Then tan of A plus B equal to tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B. Find A plus B. Find A plus B. Okay, once again I'll read. Tan A 1 by 2, tan B equal to 1 by 3, tan of A plus B equal to tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B. Find A plus B. Find A plus B. Okay, try now. Tan A 1 by 2. We substitute here 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 3. We try now. Okay. Forty-five. Let us see. Let us see. So here, this one, if not getting, look, tan A, tan of A plus B, tan A 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3, 1 minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 3. This one, LCM is 6, 3 plus 2 minus 1 by 1 by 6. So 5 by 6 divided by 6 minus 1, 5 by 6. Correct or no? 6 minus 1, 5 by 6 equal to 1. Then tan of A plus B equal to 1. A plus B how much? Tan of A plus B equal to 1. So A plus B what? 45 degree. This is star question, okay? Finish. Okay, complete first. Then next topic we are starting. Okay, so complete all. If you have doubts in this section, tell me now. Okay. Okay, finish all, right? So we are starting the next section. If you need doubt, tell me now. Okay. Okay, so we are starting the third section of this chapter, right? Trigonometric ratios of complementary angles, right? Trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Complementary angles means what? Complementary angles, what? Total how much? Sum is 90. Okay. Okay. Wait. Now, don't write anything. Hello. Close the book and sit. Okay. Look at here. Don't write anything. I'll explain this one. Look, our original ratio now. Look. A, B, C. Theta here. Okay. So what you got sine theta? AB divided by AC. Cos theta BC divided by AC. Tan theta AB divided by BC. Okay. Cosec AC divided by AB. Sec theta AC divided by BC. Cot BC divided by AB. Okay, this one you learned the first, right or no? Right? You learned this all as sine theta AB by AC, cos theta BC by this particular figure. Okay, sine theta AB by AC, cos theta BC by AC, tan theta AB by BC, cosec theta AC by AB, sec theta AC by BC, cot theta BC by AB. This part you finish. Okay. Now, if it is theta, what about this angle? This angle theta, how much this one? Hello. 90 minus theta, correct or no? 90 minus theta. Suppose this angle 30, this will be 60, correct? Correct or no? Look, in a right triangle. Okay, this angle 90 fixed. If this is 20, how much it will be? 70, like that. Clear? Correct or no? Any doubts? Roshan, if you have doubt, tell me frankly. Because you have step by step, it is these all ideas required to do the trigonometric identities. All the 33 formulas keep in your mind, thorough. Then only it will come to you. This hundreds of questions is there. I cannot do all the questions. If I do 100, maybe another 100 is there. So you got to solve yourself. All the data, all the trigonometric ideas keep in your mind. Then only when you see the questions, it will come to your mind. Okay. So look at here now. Now here, this angle theta, this will be 90 minus theta. Okay. Now, can you write sine 90 minus theta what? Roshan, tell me. Roshan, sine 90 minus theta is what? Sine 90 minus theta, which side by which side? Sine 90 minus theta. Sine 90 AB Sine 90 minus Satvik is wrong. Okay. Sine 90 minus theta. Roshan. No, 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 no. Where is Roshan? Roshan, which is opposite side? Roshan, which is opposite side? 90 minus theta, opposite side is what? BC. Okay. Equal to BC divided by AC. Satvik, which is the opposite side? A 90 minus theta, opposite is BC, not AB. Satvik, clear now? Okay. Then cos 90 minus theta. Don't write in your book. Ronit, cos 90 minus theta. Which side by which side? Cos 90 minus theta. Um, cos 90 minus theta, AB divided by AC. Okay. Tan 90 minus theta. What is that? Tan 90 minus theta, BC by AB. BC by AB. Cosec 90 minus theta. What is that? Cosec 90 minus theta, AC by BC. Right or no? AC by BC. Right? And here, AC by BC. Correct or no? Hypotenuse by opposite side. Okay. AC divided by BC. Okay. Sec 90 minus theta. AC divided by AB. Okay. Then cot 90 minus theta. You can see notice what I'm writing. Okay. Sec 90 minus theta. AB by BC. AB by BC. You can see this both, right? Hello, the board. You can see both, right? Okay. Anyway, you write now. Hello. In your notebook, write both. In notebook, draw a right triangle. You mark A, B, C. Here theta, 90 minus theta, right? Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, everything. Same side, not same side like this. You write. Okay. This side and this side. Don't write down. Okay. Write first. Right now, then tell me. Okay, finish. Hello, finish or not? Okay, come on. Now you got to answer it. Everyone ready now? Look, got to match. Hey, come on. Wait. Finish all or not? Why not responding all? Look, I not finished, Kaushik. Okay, I'll wait. Okay, no problem. I'll wait. Okay, finish. Okay, now look at here. Check sine theta AB by AC. Anywhere here matching? Match the following like that. Okay, which one? This one match here, right? Sine theta AB by AC, cos 90 minus theta AB by AC, right? So we can write what? Cos 90 minus theta sine theta, right? Don't write down. Cos 90 minus theta sine theta. BC by AC here. Sine 90 minus theta, sine 90 minus theta, cos theta, right? So we learn now two more. Sine 90 minus theta, cos 90 minus theta, sine theta. Okay. Tan AB by BC. Look here. So that means cot 90 minus theta, tan theta. And here tan 90 minus theta what? We cot theta. This one matching, right? Correct or no? So we learn now sine 90 minus theta, cos 90 minus theta, sine theta, then tan 90 minus theta, cot 90 minus theta, tan theta. Next, look, BC by AC here, BC by AC. Correct or no? BC by AC. Where BC by AC? BC by AC. Yeah? No, BC by AC? How? Yeah, here. No. Oh, that's finished. Okay. Cos 90 minus theta, listen. AC by AB. AC by AB. Sec 90 minus theta. Sec 90 minus theta. What? BC by AC by AB. AC by AB. Cos theta, right? Sec 90 minus theta. Sec 90 minus theta. Cos theta. Cos 90. Okay. Sec 90 minus theta. Sec. Listen. Check. Sec 90 minus theta. AC by AB were cosec theta. Sec 90 minus theta, cosec theta. Cosec 90 minus theta, sin theta. Cosec 90 minus theta, sec theta. Okay, write this one. Now you have to by heart this one, right? Sin 90 minus theta, right first. Sin 90 minus theta equal to cos theta. Sin 90 minus theta equal to cos theta. Then cos 90 minus theta sine theta. Then tan 90 minus theta, tan 90 minus theta, cot theta. Tan 90 minus theta equal to cot theta. Then cot 90 minus theta, tan theta. Cot 90 minus theta, tan theta. Sec 90 minus theta, cosec theta. Sec 90 minus theta, cosec theta. Then cosec 90 minus theta, sec theta. Cosec 90 minus theta equal to sec theta. Cosec 90 minus theta equal to sec theta. So how many are we by heart now? First 6, then 9, 17. 17 plus how much? 6 now. 17 plus 6 how much? 20. How much? 23. Okay or no? Okay. Now remaining 9 is coming. Okay. Look. So today I'll write that all because you have by heart this one. Then I can start identities. Okay. Once again, we don't want to prove this all. Just see sine 90 minus theta cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta sin theta. Tan 90 minus theta cot theta. Cot 90 minus theta tan theta. Cosec 90 minus theta sec theta. Sec 90 minus theta cosec theta. Okay. So just go through it. Take 2 minutes. Then we are going to do the questions. Okay, finish. So we are going to start the question with this 9 by heart now. Sine 90 minus theta cos theta, cos 90 minus theta sin theta, tan 90 minus theta cot theta, cot 90 minus theta tan theta, cosec 90 minus theta sec theta, sec 90 minus theta cosec theta. Right? Okay, so let me start the question. We can start or not? Come on. Okay, remind me today, end of the class, I'll give you 9 more identities. You have to by heart and come with that Saturday. We'll do that. Okay, all the 32 you have to by heart. Okay. Next question based on this all. Evaluate cos 37 divided by sine 53. All degrees, okay. Cos 37 divided by sine 53. It's very simple. Look at here. One question I'll show you, that you can do all the questions. Look, cos 37 divided by sine 53. Okay. Look, here the thing is either here or here you have to change it. The numerator or denominator should have same trigonometric ratio. Here numerator is cos, denominator is sine. Okay, our plan is, okay, listen, our plan is either change numerator or denominator. Okay. Look at here. I'm changing numerator. Cos, that is, instead of 37, I'm writing 90 minus 53. Correct or no? 37 is what? 37 is 90 minus 53. That's 53. No need to search and waste the time. Look down. 53 or mojud. Correct or no? 90 minus 53, 37. Like 10, I'm writing 12 minus 2. Like that. Just changes. Okay, Ritika, your class done this one, right? Ritika. No, okay, okay. Where you reach now? Application or entity? Okay. So look at here. Instead of 37, we can write cos 90 minus 53 divided by sine 53. Don't change it. Then we know that sine cos 90 minus theta, sine theta. So like that, cos 90 minus 53 sine 53 divided by sine 53. Answer is what? 1. Finish. Okay, everyone okay? Check it now. Make sure that the next question I won't explain it. You try yourself. Is it okay all? Okay, explain. Come on. Deepa, Sadvik. Okay. Look at here. Listen, numerator is cos, denominator is 53. Okay. First of all, you have to make sure numerator and denominator same trigonometric ratios, either in cos or sine. If you want, you can change numerator or denominator. Okay, I'll show you now how to change the denominator. Look, cos 37 divided by this sine 53. We can write, I didn't change anything, sine of 90 minus 37. Correct or no? Because 53 is 90 minus 37. That value, how by writing here, this will be here. No change. See, 90 minus 37 is 53. Correct or no? Right? Sadvik. Reba. Is it okay? Instead of 53, I'm just changes 90 minus 37. Okay. Next step, cos 37 divided by. We know that sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. So that means sine 90 minus 37 is cos 37. Cancel. 1. Finish. Now clear? Okay. Write fast. Is it okay now? Clear now? Okay. So next one, clear now? Right. Sine 41. Look, sine 41 divided by cos 49. Sine 41 divided by cos 49. Sine 41 divided by cos 49. Okay, try now. Okay, so finished. It is one, right? Okay, so next question. Sadvik Kurol asked doubt. It's clear now, right? Deepa. Okay, next one. Tan 54 divided by cot 36. Tan 54. Tan 54 divided by cot 36. Tan 54 divided by cot 36. This one, Misha, you didn't write the test, last test. Hello, Misha. You didn't write it or not? Not Amisha, Misha. Misha Doshi. Not Amisha, Misha Doshi. You didn't write it or not? Because I didn't see your paper. Hey, Misha, why not answering? Misha, you didn't write the test last test and all, okay? I think many tests you missed. Why not writing? Okay, finish this one. Okay, it is tan 54. We can write tan 90 minus 36 divided by cot 36. So tan 90 minus 36, it is cot. Cot 36 by cot 36. It is what? 1. Right? Okay. So next one, cosec 32. Next question. Cosec 32. Cosec 32 divided by sec 58. Cosec 32 divided by sec 58. Cosec 32 divided by sec 58. Okay, what you got? 1, right? Clear now? Okay, so next question. Sine 39. Look at here. Sine 39. Sine 39 minus cos 51. Sine 39. Sine 39 minus cos 51. Look at here. You can change here or here. Okay. Sine 90 minus 51 minus cos 51. Correct or no? 90 minus 51 is 39. Cos sin 90 minus 51 is cos 51 minus cos 51. Answer what? 0. Okay, right. Okay, you got what? 0. Okay, next question. Cot 34 minus tan 56. Cot 34 minus tan 56. Cot 34 minus tan 56. Okay, try now. Okay, that also 0. Right or no? Okay, next question. Right. Cos evaluate cos 80 divided by sin 10 plus cos 59 into cosec 31. Okay, right? Cos 80 divided by sin 10 plus cos 59 into cosec 31. Cosec 31. Okay, can you try? Okay. So here this one cos 90 minus 10. Cos 90, sorry. Yeah, cos 90 minus 10 divided by sine 10 plus. You can change this or this one. Then you decide. Cos 90 minus 31 into cosec 31. Cos 90 minus theta, sine theta. Sine 10 divided by sine 10 plus. This one cos 90 minus 31 is sec. Sec 31 into cosec 31. Correct or no? Okay. So what do we get? Okay, now this is 1 plus sec theta into cosec theta is what? Sec theta into cosec theta. It is sine. What? Oh, this is sine. Yes, it is sine. Okay. Sine 31. Then sine theta into cosec theta 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay. Check. Okay, finish. So next one. Is it okay now? You feel very simple. Okay. Look at here. These are basic questions only. Cot 54 divided by tan 36 plus tan 20 divided by cot 70 minus 2. Cot 54 divided by tan 36 plus tan 20 divided by cot 70 minus 2. Okay, wait, let's finish all. Okay. So you got here, you'll get 1 plus 1 minus 2 equal to 0. Right? Okay. Look at here. I sent you some questions for practice. You did or not? The practice questions. So I need to see that this Saturday, which test DPS guys? Hindi. So, okay, no issue. Okay. How Hindi and French and all like SST in online? Because you are right. Oh, only MCQ questions only, right? Okay. So no need essay and all, right? Okay. SST also subject, okay. In separate paper. What? How will write it? How come write in paper and send, scan and send it? How? Through, how will send it? We can scan and email. Oh, okay, okay. Oh, okay, okay. So you should have a scanner and okay. Okay. So this will continue maybe till September, October. I don't think it will finish. We can, I don't know when we can start the regular classes, but it is okay now. You are familiar now, online classes, right? You'll get, we get more time because every classes you'll get 2 hours and no disturbance because before you coming and going. Okay. You have to send. I need the answers. Okay, that's okay. Good. Okay. Anyway, we try to finish all guys. Finish that practice questions Sunday, because Sunday we have a test on trigonometry. Okay. And today as well send you because I cannot do all the questions. Thousands of questions there. This chapter. Okay. So you can practice it if you are interested. No, it is practicing. Then you will get interest in trigonometry. Keep on practice with the extra questions. Okay, then automatically by heart it. Okay, only Krishna only sent the answers. Rest all not itself. Okay. Okay. So next question, right? Okay. Next question. Express, right? Express each of the following. Express each of the following. Express each of the following trigonometric ratios. Express each of the following. Express each of the following trigonometric ratios between 0 and 45. Between 0 and 45. Between 0 and 45. Once again, look. Express each of the following in terms of trigonometric ratios of angle between 0 and 45. Question clear? Express each of the following in terms of trigonometric ratios of angle between 0 and 45. Okay, look at here. 0 and 45. Okay, come on. This is also star question. One more question. Look at here. Sine 85 plus cosec 85. Sine 85 plus cosec 85. Okay, look at here. This 85 is more than 45 degree, right? Correct or no? Listen, don't write now. 85 is more than 45. We have to change this one between 0 and 45 without changing the answer, final answer. The value should not change. Plan okay or not? Hello? The plan understood or not? The question is, you have to change 85 in terms of 0 and 45. Between 0 and 45. Okay, plan. Look at here, Aditya. The question, each of the following in terms of trigonometric ratios between 0 and 45. That means this 85, instead of 85, you have to change, you have to write a value between 0 and 45. But should not change the answer. The value should not change. Okay. Okay, so we can write what? Sine 85, instead of 85, I'm writing 90 minus 5. No objection, correct or no? Right? Because look at here. Suppose if you want 2 kg rice is required from a shop, or 2 kg rice is required. Okay. What you will ask? Okay, I need 2 kg rice. Correct or no? Instead of that, you can say I need 5 minus 3 2 kg sugar. What is the problem? Rice. What is the problem? Shopkeeper will give you no. Correct or not? So you used to go to the shop and all, or if suppose you want to buy a pen, okay, you want to buy pencils, okay. So actually you need 2 pencils, okay. So you're telling you the shop, I need 10 minus 8 pencil. You can ask, right or no, Arjun, Roshan. You can ask, there is no issue, correct or no? Or you can ask, I need 100 minus 98 pencils. When he had 100, he'll be happy. But next number, he'll be he thinks something wrong with you, right? Because instead of 2, you're asking, I need 100 minus 98 pencils. Maybe they will kick you from the shop. Okay, so like that. Instead of 85, I'm writing 90 minus 5. Oh, Roshan, you have experience like that. Somebody kick you from the shop? Roshan said yes. Which shop, man? Why you ask such a stupid questions? Roshan, which shop kick you? Hello, Roshan. Okay, look at here. Okay, 85 we can write 90 minus 5. Okay, plus cosec 85 you're writing cosec 90 minus 5. Okay, and we know sin 90 minus 5 is cos 5 plus cosec 90 minus 5 sec 5. So that means no change. Only the 85 we change. Okay, right now. Is it clear now? Is it one more question? Star questions. We can write 85 in any way, right? Anyway, markify the Kaushik, because if you write 80 plus 5, how we have to convert to in terms of 90, because we have only operation with the 90 minus only. If you write 60 plus 25, you can write, but markify that. Okay. Our this chapter, this section only based on 90 minus only. Next year you will learn 90 plus theta, 180 minus theta, 180 plus theta, 270 plus theta, 270 minus theta, 360 plus theta, 360 minus theta. This all we learn next year. Okay. So we can write only 90 minus. Okay. That's right. This year you can play only in the first quadrant from 0 to 90 only. This border you cannot cross it. Okay. This year. Next year you can go to here, 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 and come back to here. Negative direction also. Okay. Sin 90, sin minus theta, sin cos minus theta. This all you learn next year. Okay. And here now sin 90 minus theta only. That means 0 to 90. Here this one 90 plus theta, or 180 plus 180 minus theta. This is 180 minus theta or plus theta. 270 here, 270 plus theta, 270 minus. This is all we learn. Around 90 formulas you have to by heart. Keep in your mind. the previous question you did know cos a minus b equal to cos a plus cos b plus cos a minus sin a sin b. This is all you have to learn. Like the tan a plus b, tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. This is all you have to learn by heart. Okay, so this is one more question, right? Sin 72, sin 72, sin 72 plus cot 72, sin 72 plus cot 72. Okay, we can get sine 72, we can write sine of 90 minus 18, correct or no? Plus cot 90 minus 18. So sine 90 minus 18, cos 18, cot 90, tan 18. Okay, clear now? Okay. So next one, sine 81. Next one, sine 81 plus tan 81. Sine 81 plus tan 81. Cos 9 plus cot 9. Okay. Okay, finish. Okay, so next question, right? Uh, sine 35 divided by cos 55 whole square plus cos 55 divided by sine 35 whole square minus 2 cos 60. 2 cos 60. 2 cos 60. Okay, wait. Let me check. Okay. So you're working, listen here, getting all right. You'll get here 1, right? Here is, here sine 35 we can write sine 90 minus 55. That is cos 55. Cos 55 by cos 55, 1 plus. This is also 1 minus 2 into cos 61 by 2. Cancel 1. So answer is what? 1. Hey, how come 0? 1 plus 1 minus cos 61 by 2. 1. 1 only, right? Okay. Okay. Finish all? Okay, I have one question. Listen here. Hello, listen. Everyone listen and quick answer, okay? What is the value of cos 1 into cos 2 into cos 3 into etc. cos 180? Cos 1 into cos 2 into cos 3 into etc. cos 180. How much? Cos 1 into cos 2 into cos 3 into etc. cos 180. What is the answer? Cos 1 into cos 2 into cos 3 into etc. Okay. How much? Hello, answer all. What is the answer? Why Krishna Puja answer 0? What is the reason? What is the reason? How come it is 0? Yes. Cos value decreasing. Reason is what? Cos 90 is 0. Reason is what? Cos 90 is 0. Okay, write this one in book. Right. Cos 1 into, next question. Cos 1 into cos 1 into cos 2 into cos 3 into etc. into cos 180 equal to 0. In bracket, right? Cos 90 is 0 because in between 1 0 is there, so everything is 0. Okay, now look at here. So next question. Tan 1, tan 1 into tan 2 into tan 3 into etc. tan 89. Tan 1 into tan 1 into tan 1 into tan 2 into tan 3 into etc. tan 89. Can you guess what the answer? Can you guess? Hey, just guess. No need to work out now. What is the answer? 1 or 0? 0. Come on, look at here. Look, I'll show this one. So not like easy question. Look, we can combine tan 1 into tan 89 combine, tan 2 into tan 88 combine. Like that, last is tan 45. Right or not? Look, listen here. Hassan, your lottery. Okay, look at here. Tan 1 and 89 combine. Correct or not? 2 and 88 combine. 3 and 87 combine. 5 and 85 combined, right? 10 and 80 combined, 20 and 70 combined, right? Listen, Ridhika, listen here. Hey, Ridhika, don't type it. Listen, all answer. Tan 1 and 89 combined, sure or not? You can combine. It is the tan 2 and 88, 3 and 87, 4 and 86, 5 and 85, 10 and what 80, right? Like that. Okay, 45 is alone. Correct or no? Agree or no? 45 is balanced there, right? No pair. Is it okay? Ridhika, you understood? When you rearrangement 1 and 89 together, I can write 2 and 88, 3 and 8, 3 and 87. Balance is 45. Okay. Now look, tan 1 we can write tan of 90 minus 89 into tan 89. Tan 2, tan 90 minus 88 into tan 88, etc. into 1. Okay, because tan 45 is 1. Now tan 89, tan 90 minus 89 is cot 89 into tan 89. Here cot 98 into tan 98, etc. into 1. This is 1 into 1 into etc. into 1. Answer is what? 1. Okay. Right. So are you clear or not? You have to combine 1 and 89 combined, 2 and 88 combined, 3 and 87 combined, 4 and 86, 5, 85. To get 90s, 20 and 70, 30 and 60, okay, 40 and 50, 41 and 49, 42, 48, right? Like that, 45 is alone. So now let's show this all, only 2 enough. Tan 1, I can write tan 90 minus 89. 89, keep it there. Tan 2, tan 90 minus 88. Tan 88 into etc. Tan 45, 1. And tan 90 minus theta, cot theta. Cot 89 into tan 89, 1. Here also 1 into 1. Answer is 1. Okay. Check on. This is star question. Okay, finish. It's clear now? Okay, is it okay all? This is start question, okay? The start. Maidale, Nihal, Nishi, Ronit, Varsha, Vignesh, Kiran. Okay, I can give next question now. Okay, right. Tan 5 into, right? Tan 5 into tan 25 into tan 30 into tan 65 into tan 85. Tan 5 into tan 25 into tan 30 into tan 65 into tan 85. Tan 5 into tan 25 into tan 30 into tan 65 into tan 85. Okay, try now. Okay, answer what? 1 by root 3. Okay, look, listen here. Tan 5 into tan 25 into tan 30 into tan 65 into tan 85. Okay, look at here. This one and this one we combine. So tan 5 into tan 85. Tan 25 into tan 65 combined. Then tan 30. Like that, we combine 80 questions. 5 plus 85, 90. 25 plus 65, 90. Then tan 5, we can write 90 minus 85 into tan 85. Tan 25, we can write tan 90 minus 65 into tan 65. Tan 30, 1 by root 3. Okay. Tan 90 minus 85 is cot 85 into tan 85 into tan 90 minus 65 cot 65 into tan 65 into 1 by root 3. And we know that tangent into cot theta 1 into 1 into 1 by root 3. Answer is what? 1 by root 3. Answer is 1 by root 3. Okay. Okay, so finish. Next one. Okay, code 12. Right. Next question. So today also I'll send some practice question. Okay. For 1 minute enough. One question. Code 12 into code 38 into code 52 into code 60 into code 78. Once again, code 12 into code 38 into code 52 into code 60 into code 78. What is the answer? This is also 1 by root 3 because 12 and this one combined. This one and this one combined. So only cos 60, cot 60 is 1 by root 3. Okay. So now write remaining 9 and this you have to by heart it. Okay. But this section not finished. Before Saturday you have to by heart this all. Okay. Right now. The first one sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. This in a box. This is the mother of this. Sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. From here we can write sine square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Sine square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Then cos square theta equal to 1 minus sine square theta. Cos square theta equal to 1 minus sine square theta. Okay. Next, 1 plus tan square theta equal to 6 square theta in box. Because from sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, in that only these two. Now, 1 plus tan square theta equal to 6 square theta. Then tan square theta equal to 6 square theta minus 1. Tan square theta equal to 6 square theta minus 1. Then 6 square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. 6 square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Next one, 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec square theta. 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec square theta. Okay, 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec square theta. Okay, then cot square theta equal to cosec square theta minus 1. Cot square theta equal to cosec square theta minus 1. Then cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. This is in a bracket box. Okay. cos square theta minus 1 equal to cos square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. Okay, I'll read again. Just check your note. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Then 1 plus tan square theta equal to 6 square theta. 6 square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Then 6 square theta minus 1 equal to tan square theta. Next, 1 plus cot square theta equal to cos square theta. Cot square theta equal to cos square theta minus 1. Cos square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. Okay. This all you have to by heart thorough. All the now total is how much? This 32, I think. This all you have to by heart. Okay. Okay. Now continue the questions. Right. Next one is star question. Okay. Next star one. Okay. Look at here. Right. If A, B, C are right. If A, B, C capital letters. A, B, C are the interior angles of triangle ABC. If A, B, C are the interior angles of triangle ABC. If A, B, C are the interior angles of triangle ABC. A, B, C are the interior angles of triangle ABC. Prove that tan B plus C by 2. Tan B plus C by 2 equal to cot A by 2. Look, listen here. If ABC are the interior angles of triangle ABC, prove that tan of B plus C by 2. Tan of B plus C by 2. Tan of B plus C by 2 equal to cot A by 2. Okay, don't write. I'll explain this one. Star one. Just complete the question. Question what? A, B, C are the interior angles of triangle ABC. Prove that tan of B plus C by 2 equal to cot A by 2. Okay, question clear or not? Come on, question completed or not? Okay, now look at here. Don't write now. Look, we know that A plus B plus C equal to 180, right? A plus B plus C equal to 180. Why? Angle sum property of a triangle, right? Then we need B plus C here. So keep B plus C here equal to 180 minus A. Because here B plus C we need, so B plus C we keep it here. Okay, then we need B plus C by 2. What that? B plus C by 2 equal to 90 minus A by 2. Are you okay? We need, first you write, listen, first you write A plus B plus C equal to 180. Our requirement is B plus C. So B plus C equal to 180 minus A other side. We want B plus C by 2. B plus C by 2 equal to 180 divided by 2, 90 A by 2. Then taking, we want tan. Correct? So taking tan on both sides. Tan of B plus C by 2 equal to tan of 90 minus a by 2. Okay. Tan 90 minus a by 2 what? Tan of 90 minus a by 2. Cot a by 2. So that is cot a by 2. Okay. Are you okay? This one is a star question. Nice question. Clear or not? Any doubt? Okay. Next question, right? Um, right. Okay, right. ABC are the interior angles of ABC are ABC are ABC are interior angles of ABC are interior angles of triangle ABC. ABC are interior angles of triangle ABC. Prove that cos B plus C by 2. Cos B plus C by 2. Cos B plus C by 2 equal to sin A by 2. Okay. Right now? Finish? Okay, finish. So up to here, you have to finish it. Okay, I'll send you today some extra practice questions. The practice, you okay? Then okay, all the practice you are finished before Sunday. Okay, and all by heart. Listen all. By heart all the formulas. The first six ratios, then reciprocals, then sin theta by cos theta by sin 90 minus theta, cos 90 minus theta. This all. Okay. Yeah, answer I'll send you. Okay, no problem. Okay. Okay. That if you have no idea, we cannot start the trigonometric identities. It's not like other triangles, lines and angles proof. Okay. So by heart all. This is enough today. Okay.